have learned what AI is, how it works, and how it has evolved over time. In this module, you will learn to use generative AI tools for learning, writing, research, data analysis, as well as for creating images and slide decks. While there are many other exciting ways to use generative AI tools, in this module, we'll focus on a few of the most common ones and explore some popular tools together. The best way to learn Gen AI is by using it yourself. So I'll demonstrate how each tool works. Feel free to follow along. Many of these tools are free and you can create your own account in just a few minutes. The more you use them, the better your AI results will become over time. Now let's use 3 popular LLMs that we discussed in the last module. Let's begin with ChatGPT, one of the most common tools. This is a prompt window, the space where you talk to AI. Think of it as your workspace. Suppose you're a psychology student writing a paper. You can simply type, "Help me write a research paper on the different types of learning disabilities. I need 500 words." And here's what ChatGPT gives you: a well-structured 500-word essay titled "Understanding the Different Types of Learning Disabilities." It covers topics like dyslexia, dysgraphia, and dyscalculia, and even asks you if you want it formatted in APA style. Not bad for a first draft, but how can we make it better? This is where prompt crafting comes in. Think of AI as an assistant or a team player. The clearer your instructions, the better its performance. Let's rewrite our prompt to make it smarter. This time, we will say, "Think like an expert psychologist from Harvard University. I'm a first-year psychology student writing a research paper on learning disabilities that can be treated at an early age. Use authentic scientific sources and include citations." See the difference? When you add a persona, the role you want AI to take, your own context, the goal, and the output requirements, the response becomes richer and more accurate. Now here's something very important. AI tools can help brainstorm and refine ideas and improve language, but they can't develop original arguments for you. You should form your own ideas while writing because it's your thoughts that make your work meaningful and original. Use AI to enhance your work, not replace your thinking. Another word of caution: remember to check citations yourself. AI tools sometimes hallucinate sources that don't exist. And since LLMs have a knowledge cutoff, which means they can only access data up to a certain date and may not show the latest facts or news, always turn on web search if you're looking for recent information. Now, let's look at Claude, another LLM with a very similar interface. I have pasted the same prompt here, this time as a third-year media student summarizing a paper on Indian characters in films. I upload the same document and press Enter. Claude returns a summary with a slightly different writing style. You'll notice it structures arguments differently and uses its own tone. That's normal. Each model interprets prompts in its own way. So remember, you're never locked into one AI tool. Try your prompt across models to compare clarity, depth, and tone. Finally, let's see Perplexity. We copy the same prompt, turn on web search, and press Enter. Perplexity uses built-in academic resources, so its answers often include citations from research papers and even follow-up questions to help you think deeper. This is what makes Perplexity especially useful for students. You get both answers and references in one place. As you can see, the interfaces of ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity look almost the same. Once you learn one, it's easy to use another. Each tool has its own strength. Try them all and decide what works for you. So that's an introduction to 3 popular LLMs. how you can use them to conduct research and write about a topic, how to write better prompts to get better results. Going forward, we will explore ChatGPT features like file upload, summarizing, data analysis, and canvas editing.